for ant, B for bear, C for camel, D for do, E for elephant, F for fox, G for giraffe, H for hog, I for iguana, J for jellyfish, K for koala, L for lion, M for mouse, N for narwhal, O for otter, P for panda, Q for quail, R for rhinoceros, S for sheep, T for tiger, U for ukari monkey, V for vicano rabbit, W for wall, X for X-ray tetrafish, Y for yellow-bellied whale, Z for zebra.